this episode of American Detour, we show you how to build traction bars, and me and Mason also buy new vehicles. So being that this truck has way more power than it came from the factory with, and not to mention that there's like no weight in the bed because it's a truck, it tends to wheel hop a lot more than it really should. So me and Mason decided to fix that problem, but we didn't order the right track bar. Alright, the reason we're taking this bed off for probably the 5th time is because Mason got track bars we need to build to work with this truck. And the track bars are really weird. It's like a singular track bar. It's kind of strange. And then we're gonna take the muffler off. 1, because the track bar might not fit, and 2, because we want to make it sound way cooler. So we're gonna get all that done and then possibly put the Duramax wheels on this truck tonight just because. So pretty much what's going on right now is we got the bed off, and the track bar we have is going to sit right down here on the axle and go all the way up to this cross member, and that muffler is like directly in the way. So if we put on our new muffler and probably put it like vertically, it'll be out of the way.
I think we're going to wash it up first. I mean, it's just full of mud.
That's very hot. Oh god, no, that's a bad idea.
There's no water.
Did it gulp it all up? Oh, what's this? Oh my god, it's leaking again.
Where's it leaking from?
I don't know, see it? It's dripping right there. Okay, we're done for the night with this car.
Best way to fix this.
Me and Mason had to fix this 01 Ford Focus for his mom's friend. And all we had to do was replace the thermostat housing, but after we replaced that, another hose leaked, we replaced that, and then we let it sit outside and run for a while, and it drained all the coolant everywhere. So now, we're just gonna go back to work on the truck.
This is not going to work out well.
Is this for a 1500?
It's a universal good. Will it fit this time? Closer. Take some more off. I am trying to make the front mount for traction bar. This kit doesn't really fit this truck.
I'm gonna put a level on her just for double checking.
We tacked the front mount and we tacked the back mount. Both are just kind of eyeballed. So we're gonna make the bottom bar. And if that all bolts up good, and then we'll finish welding that, and then we'll start making the other bar.
I really hope it's right, the right length.
I paid extra to get longer pieces of pipe.
Just in case.
Yeah, that way I didn't have too short. So it took way longer than it should have, but I finally got that bar ready to weld. I'm gonna weld that solid in there, take it out, take those bushings out, weld those solid. Gotta weld that solid to that cross member thing, and be good.
Before we get back to working on the track bar for the white truck, as y'all know, Mason bought Barbara, our 1986 Chevy K10 from Tyler. But the truck was being such a pain in the butt and such a piece of crap that he decided to trade it for a 1997 Jeep Cherokee that has been totally wasted. Like, this thing is rough. But the lift is pretty good, suspension isn't that bad, and it's a 4.0, so it's pretty indestructible, and this thing rips.
I'm on board with it. We gotta find more spots to go. I know, I'm down for it. We can fit the whole crew. I'll pay for gas even. Fuck it.
God damn it, Jeep, you did me so good for like a day. Honestly, I've never checked the oil on this.
It's got oil. I was just making sure we didn't fucking seize it up.
I've never checked it, honestly.
That's just custom. That's fine.
Yeah, just like this wire nut that does.
That's fucking custom.
Oh, that's for the fans.
Fucking loyal.
Yeah, you think 5 gallons just not enough?
It's probably sloshing around in the tank.
That's what I'm thinking. Because every time you hit something big, that's when it would.
It's starving itself.
Okay, so after about a week of working on the, not a week, it's only been like 3 days of working on the track bar, we got all welded up and it's put in. Actually, Mason did that while I wasn't here. So that should be functional, and what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put a new exhaust on it because the muffler that's originally on it is about this big, and it's not gonna fit between the frame and the track bar. So we bought a Flowmaster 44. It's like kind of quiet, but that's okay because this truck's ridiculously loud even with the stock muffler. So we're gonna put it on there and mount it like this, so there's room, and then just fabricate it all in. And after that, there's not a whole lot left to do.
That sounded a little bit better. I need a 3.5-inch piece of pipe, and nobody stocks 3.5 inch. It's open at 7 o'clock at night, so I'm gonna cut that right there. This 3-inch, that's a little bit thicker than 3-inch, and then just gonna weld up the gaps. Just wondering where the fuck it ends at. Jesus.
You're looking at this pipe.
Oh God, what the fuck am I thinking? God damn it.
So this is the new race car. Painted my wheels with bed liner because when you're racing on the track, you don't want to scuff your forces on someone else's car. You got to be safe about it. I painted the calipers red because you don't want someone thinking you don't have Brembos. Crappy headlights, but that's all right because the track's always lit. Then we got Space Jesus here. He came with a car. You can't go anywhere without Jesus. And you might as well be astronaut. Then we got the